Hi guys, मेरा नाम है आमना, आप देख रहे हैं Something Hot and today you'll be spending the day with me at Khadi. We're in a very creative space, बहुत सा रंग है, बहुत से ऐसे मोटिव्स हैं और ऐसी फील गुड फैक्टर है जो कि हमें पाकिस्तानी होने का एहसास दिलाती है. When we talk about Khadi and we talk about fashion, we're talking about signature prints, colors, motifs, embroideries, जिसको पहन के हमें ये बड़ा फ़ख्र होता है कि ये एक पाकिस्तानी लुक है. We'll be looking into their unstitched winter collection. 240 पीस हैं, but I will be selecting the pieces that I personally love. Noor will be talking about pieces that she personally loves. So we're addressing younger girls and we're addressing older women. There's lots to talk about, lots of trends, lots of styles. कमीज़ें आपने कैसे पहननी है, शलवारें कैसे पहननी है, दुपट्टे, चादरें, capes, jackets. So much fun we're going to have, so stay tuned. So guys, we spent a really fun hour looking through 240 designs. बड़ा मज़ा आया वैसे कपड़ों को देख के और उनको हाथ लगा के. और सीज़न चेंज हो रहा है, पहले गर्मी थी, लॉन था, हल्के हल्के फैब्रिक्स से. अब we're going towards heavier fabrics, deeper colors, the palettes are changing. इतना exciting होता है ये पूरा आपका wardrobe change. आज हम बात करेंगे elements of a winter wardrobe की, कि हम सब पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं, शलवार कमीज़ पहनते हैं, एक ख़ास किस्म की हमारी सार्टोरियल आइडेंटिटी है. मतलब क्या कि एक ख़ास किस्म के कपड़े हम पहनते हैं. पाकिस्तानी ख़वातीन दुनिया में कहीं भी जाएं नज़र आ जाता है that this is how Pakistani women dress. Winter I think is a much more exciting time for fashion. So 240 designs हमने select किए हैं अपने favorites. We're going to be joined by Sarosh, who's the head of Unstitched Collections for Khadi. और वो आपको explain करेंगी मेरे साथ कि किस तरीके से आपने अपना winter wardrobe build करना है. Hi Sarosh,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you
Welcome
all?
to Something Hot and thank you so much for taking time out and doing this.
Thank you for having us. I think it's a great time to let people know what to wear और किस तरह से पहनना है, किस तरह से उसको layer करना है.
सरोज हम प्रिंट की बात करेंगे सबसे पहले बिकॉज प्रिंट मेरे ख्याल है वार्डरोब स्टेपल है पाकिस्तानी खवातीन के लिए. राइट, इंटरनेशनली यू वुड हैव अ वाइट शर्ट इन एवरी वार्डरोब, यू वुड हैव अ पेयर ऑफ जीन्स और खाकीज, बट फॉर पाकिस्तान प्रिंटेड जोड़ा, बेशक वो 2 पीस हो या 3 पीस हो, कोई ऐसी औरत नहीं है जिसके वार्डरोब में नहीं होगा.
So this is very much khadi we are talking right now.
Right.
Khadi is all about vibrancy and the folk and the colors that we bring in the market. हम लोग की एक typical palette है जो हर कोई बता सकता है, oh this girl is wearing khadi. तो हम उसको we want to keep it alive. अब something like this ये 2 piece में भी जा सकता है आपका, where you have the dupatta and shirt and you can pair it up with a beige pant, you can pair it with a black pant. beige पहन लोगे तो थोड़ा सा afternoon feel आ जाएगी, black पहन लोगे तो थोड़ा सा formal feel आ जाएगी. Again a girl like Noor, if she wants to hang out with friends and अभी घर में हो तुम and you just want to wear the kurta dupatta, but अभी एकदम से पता चला है कि कोई plan बन गया,
लंच पे जाना है,
लंच पे जाना है. So it's a quick solution where you can take the dupatta and you can turn it into a jacket cum shawl.
Okay, so Sarosh, that was a great way to start the day. Light prints, fresh colors, fantastic. Now we're moving to early evening, like post-lunch, when the sun is setting and you've got that fabulous golden hour. You know, and Karachi winter is beautiful and all over Pakistan, sunsets are beautiful. And we're moving into deeper colors.
So there are two kind of palettes right now. We have the deeper palette and we have the bright palette as well.
Okay.
So there are two moods. One is at home, one is going out. So for going out, you will need a bit of embroidery. You will need the heavier feel to it so that you look more signature when we call it.
Right.
So for that, we have our signature collection.
Right.
And then for home and maybe just, you know, a small get-together at home, we can go into the brighter and the deeper mix
Yeah,
of
so
both.
I'd like to call this the 5 p.m. look because
Okay.
it's like if you're stepping out in the early evening or if you know you have people coming over for chai, in the
Ideal,
evening. So
yeah,
something is
ideal for
light.
that.
It's also lightly printed, but it's a deeper
Yeah.
color. It's a darker color, which
Yes.
will also carry you through to the evening, you know, to the night, to the early night. And we've got Noor here again.
इसमें we have given a bit of a style to the sleeves where they're poofy and they can be tied. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे pleats दे रहे हैं ताकि एक volume आ सके.
अच्छा सरोज, बड़ा मजे का 3 डायमेंशन लग रहा है मुझे. लग रहा है देखने में कि जैसे ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, बट है नहीं.
बिल्कुल क्योंकि हमने लेस लगा दी है, इसको फिनिशिंग अच्छी दे दी है.
We have Noor showing us how to wear the same outfit in 2 ways. Noor, ये दुपट्टा था, right?
Yes.
ये दुपट्टा था जिसको अब हम जैकेट के तौर पे दिखा रहे हैं. This is 2 ways of extending your print. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप 3 piece पहने, 2 piece पहने. A lot of us don't want to wear those big dupattas, so we can always turn it into a jacket or, you know. Okay, just follow me. We're at Shamoon's office. He doesn't know we're here. Hello, hi, how are you? Great. Guys, this is Shamoon's, the big guy's office. This is a legend. आप लोग देख लें, this is his workplace. It's so inspirational to see this space. And as we were talking about on the video, you feel so proud to be Pakistani when you're in the Khadi office, because everything is it's so uniquely Pakistani. And I think that's the look you've always wanted. Always, always. ये अब conversation आएगी नहीं, but मेरी आवाज़ आ जाएगी. But thank you, thank you, thank you. For me personally, आपको मालूम है कि मैं बहुत understated कपड़े पहनती हूँ. I stick to monochrome, I stick to solids, और black and white मेरा ultimate favorite है. ये वाला print मैंने choose किया because बहुत ही simple किस्म का ये print है. और इसमें 2 color waves हैं. There is a blue and white and there is a black and white. I of course went for the black and white, as you must have guessed. And I'm going to change into this and show you how it would look if it were a simple kurta, and how Noor would look if she wore something a bit funkier. So, see you in a second. So I would wear my chadar like this, and maybe at some point I would even make another shirt of the chadar. Let's Noor go and change, so
Yes,
we can
sure.
take now it to the signature prints.
By the looks of it, it looks like कि ये 2 different fabrics आपको मिल रहे हैं आपके सूट के साथ, लेकिन ये एक shawl fabric है और खद्दर का fabric है.
Okay,
खद्दर में आपकी पूरी shirt embroidered है front,
right.
and you are getting separate border putties.
Panels, right.
And sleeves के लिए भी आपको embroidery मिल रही है. So right now we have turned the shawl into a kaftan, come jacket, even
It's beautiful because there's so
a
much
poncho,
detailing in it.
yes.
There's so much detailing.
So I
and-
feel it's very important for you to change the way you wear your shawl. I think your clothes say who you are.
Totally, totally,
So
of course.
her personality is coming across with the bold earrings. It's really giving a very, very bold feel to her personality.
Bilkul.
Independent feel, I would say.
And this is signature look. Okay guys, so as we move towards the signature range, which is a slightly more formal evening wear, this is like hashtag spotted. I love this outfit. It's a beautiful shade of blue. It's got an accent of a sea green. It's got a little bit of print, a little bit of gold embroidery. You know, the coral brings it out. The shalwar has beautiful detailing. Again, you know, one of my favorite pieces. It's a gorgeous, deep sea green, and it's been accented by this fuchsia pink,
Yes.
which is such a classic and yet such a contemporary combination.
Yes,
And
with
the
the
embroidery,
metallic.
again, I see a lot of Sawati embroidery on the
Yes.
collection this time.
It's basically the dupatta turning into a poncho, where we've cut it from the middle, placed the putties, and made it look front
Lovely,
open.
lovely.
Jacket,
Lovely.
yet poncho.
Lovely.
Can we?
So guys, we spent a great day at Khadi and we've seen so many different styles of how to wear your unstitched fabric. You know, play with it. Again, look at your individuality. Don't follow the same routine, don't follow the same styles that everybody else is doing. There are so many ways you can play with the fabric, and Sarosh, thank you so much for showing us and for educating our audience on, you know, how much can be done with unstitched fabric.
I think the winter collection is very versatile. It gives you the whole feel that you can change your garment into anything that you want.
Absolutely.
You can change your dupattas to gararas, you can change your dupattas to jackets, you can make your shirts into front opens, jackets, however way you feel like wearing it with a belt or just keeping it open the way we see it. Finishings play a very vital role where you can you can finish the garment by things that are found very easily like shells and coins and
और
tassels.
सब कुछ मिल जाता है
बहुत
बाजार में,
आसानी
है ना?
से,
बहुत
yes.
आसानी से.
A jewelry piece, a old jewelry piece can also be very well used.
Exactly.
And you can add those finishings in that jewelry piece as well, as we do at Khadi.
Absolutely. और आपने पूरे दिन में देखा कि एक ही प्रिंट है, वो मेरे जैसा बंदा कैसे पहनना चाहेगा, नूर कैसे पहनेगी. अगेन एक प्रिंट को दो तरीकों से पहनना, एक प्रिंट को ड्रेस अप करना, ड्रेस डाउन करना. We really had a lot of fun today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions from us, from Sarosh, from the team at Khadi, please लिखें हमें और हम उनके जवाबात आप तक पहुंचाएंगे. But again, have fun with fashion and recognize who you are and play to your strength.